Call cycle and scheduling, recurring appointments. To set up a recurring appointment, start to plan a call as you normally would. Tap Plan a Call, select a call type, select the start date and time. This should be the desired recurring day and time. Now tap Repeat. If the recurring period option appears, then tap it, like weekly. However, if not, then tap Custom. Tap on Frequency and choose an option. Now tap Every and choose how often you'll be calling on the customer. Here, we'll pick every 6 weeks. Tap on Repeat in the top left of the popover to go back. Tap on New Event in the top left to go back. Tap Add in the top right to complete the recurring appointment. This call will now appear in your schedule on a recurring basis. To delete or edit the call, go to your Apple Calendar and select the appointment. Here you will be given prompts to delete or edit the series or just a single cell.